The first set of styles we're going to assemble are the retail styles. We're going to start with the tuck-in top and bottom. Standard box comes flat to you. Just pop it open, fold the two flaps down and tuck the top in. Next one is add your product and then tuck the two flaps in and lock it into the top panel. There's your box. The second style is the hand lock bottom. Start by assembling the base, which is start with the U-shaped large panel, fold it in, fold these two side panels in and push them until they click, and then take the last panel and push it all the way in until it clicks and gives you a nice solid base. Then load your product, fold the two flaps in, tuck in your top, you're good to go. Final size or style is the crash lock bottom. This one is very simple. It just snaps itself together. It'll come to you like this. Just kind of get a little bit of press on the bottom there. It creates the seal. Go to the top, load your product in, fold down the flaps, lock in the top panel, and you're done. The second set of styles we're going to assemble are the strut, brochure holder, and the sleeve. The sleeves, very straightforward. Got a flat surface. Literally just pop it out, give it a bit of a bend to make sure the crease is steady, and slide your product in. You're done. Next is the brochure holder. First thing you want to do is pop out these little extra pieces here. Give this a twist, turn it backwards, turn it over, fold in the lock and legs, and bend up the center piece here, putting the legs through the holes. And last thing is they have these little locks on the side to lock the legs in place, giving you the brochure holder. Final one is the strut. These are also very simple. Just requires you to bend the back, the side panel back, and assemble the lock. Now, if you're going to be assembling this or gluing it to a flyer or display, just pull the tape off, put your adhesive on, and attach it. And the last styles we're going to build today are your shipping cartons, starting with the mailer box. First, you want to lay it out on the table like this. It's always helpful to knock out these extra pieces. You're going to start by folding up one side on the flaps, fold over the side panel, lock it in. You're going to repeat on the other side, load your product, and the final step is pulling down the lid. Like that, finished box. Next style is your RSC. Very simple. Has a long panel and a short panel. Hooks up, pull it open. Short panels always go in first. And your long panels, run your tape along it. Lift it up, load your product. Short panels again. Long panels, and run your tape around that one too. And that finishes that. Third style is the carry handle. Let's start by assembling the bottom. It's the 1, 2, 3 base. So you got the first panel down, your side panels lock in, then you have the bottom one gets pushed in all the way until it pops back out and locks itself in. Should look like that on this. Next, load your product, and the top is very simple. Just squeeze the two together, push down, flap over, second flap over, and you have your carry handle. The final style is the box and lid. These are 2 pieces. One little trick to keep in mind is it's always good to use a flat surface when assembling the sides. First, you want to lay it on the table on the side, pinch these corners in. Next, you want to take the length panel that does not have the high weight panel, fold it over, tuck it in, creating that little lock in the corner. You want to flip it over, use the flat surface again, pinch in the corners, flip it down, fold over the end, lock those panels in, and then your final step is folding in the high weight panel, which is the last fold to create that solid block. Repeat this process for the second.